In this video, we'll cover 9 common causes of fire that you must know to stay safe. Watch till the end. This could save your life. Number 1. Cooking equipment. Cooking is one of the leading causes of house fires, especially when people leave food unattended on the stove. Oil and grease can ignite quickly when overheated, turning a small mistake into a dangerous fire within seconds. Even something as simple as a towel placed near a flame can catch fire. Always stay alert while cooking, keep flammable items away, and never leave your kitchen unattended. Number 2. Heating equipment. Heaters, especially during winter, can become silent fire starters if not used properly. Placing heaters too close to curtains, furniture, or bedding can easily trigger a fire. Faulty heaters or poor maintenance also increase the risk. Always maintain a safe distance and switch off heating devices when not in use to avoid unexpected accidents. Number 3. Smoking. Careless smoking is another major cause of fires. A cigarette that isn't properly extinguished can continue to burn and ignite nearby materials like sofas, beds, or carpets. Many fires start when people fall asleep while smoking. Always ensure cigarettes are completely put out and avoid smoking indoors where fire hazards are high. Number 4. Electrical distribution equipment. Electrical panels and distribution boards can cause fires when overloaded or poorly maintained. Loose wiring, short circuits, and improper installations are common triggers. These fires are often sudden and spread quickly. Regular inspection and using proper circuit protection devices can help prevent these dangerous situations. Number 5. Explosives. Explosive materials, even in small quantities, pose a serious fire hazard. Improper storage or handling can lead to sudden ignition. In industrial settings or even during events like fireworks, safety precautions are critical. One small mistake can lead to massive damage and injury. Number 6. Electrical appliance. Everyday appliances like irons, microwaves, and washing machines can cause fires if they are faulty or misused. Overheating, damaged cords, or leaving appliances running unattended increases the risk. Always unplug devices when not in use and regularly check for wear and tear. Number 7. Oil, kerosene, petrol, and lubricants. Flammable liquids are extremely dangerous if not handled properly. Petrol vapors can ignite even without direct flame, while spilled oil can catch fire instantly. Storing these liquids in open or unsafe containers increases the risk. Always keep them in approved containers and away from heat sources. Number 8. Gas leakages. Gas leaks are one of the most dangerous fire hazards because they are often invisible. A small spark from a switch or lighter can cause an explosion. If you smell gas, never turn on electrical devices. Open windows immediately and shut off the gas supply. Regular inspection of gas pipes and cylinders is essential. Number 9. Power storage. Batteries, especially large ones or lithium-ion batteries, can overheat and explode if damaged or improperly charged. This is becoming more common with phones, power banks, and backup systems. Avoid overcharging and always use original chargers to reduce the risk. Fire accidents don't just happen. They are usually caused by small mistakes we ignore. By staying aware and taking simple precautions, you can protect your home, your workplace, and your loved ones.